welcome to my channel. My name is Chris Link and I appreciate you being here. We are going to talk about Lipsense lip color today, and we're going to do an application of that. If y'all are not familiar with Lipsense, it is a stay-on. I'm going to try to do it like this so it'll focus. Lipsense is a stay-on lip color that will not come off. It will not lick off. It is a fabulous product that I found 15 years ago, I think, when no one else knew much about it at all, and I did not have any tips on how to apply it, and that is the key. If you don't know how to apply your Lipsense, and it takes a little bit of practice, you won't enjoy the product, I promise you. But if you master it, and once you do it a lot, you'll realize it is an amazing product. So what I thought I would do today, let's do a tutorial. Okay, first thing you need to do is you start with clean, dry lips. Clean is the key, and dry is the key, both. I use these witch hazel, see those right there? These are just some, I finished my makeup for the day, and I use these witch hazel wipes to clean the makeup off of my lips. And y'all know I'm still new to YouTube, so I'm still using my iPhone for a camera, and so I'll have to look back and forth some. So thanks for bearing with me. Okay, so I got it completely clean, but look at all of that. That was leftover lips that I had from previous, and I get that Cupid's bow. All right, okay. So the next thing, it's very important, is you must shake the product very good. And you can hear it. It has a little shaker in it. Make sure that you shake carefully. Don't get too vigorous with it because you don't want to break the tube. But I do at least a 10-second shake because the pigments inside the product have to really mix really well. So you really want to do that and then get ready for your first application. Now you're going to be doing 3 applications, and we're going to be allowing it to dry in between the 3 applications. Now, first thing you do is when you take it out, you want to scrape the product, and you want an extremely small amount on this brush. And you can see how the brush is kind of angled. Make sure you get a small amount. And you're going to do your first application. Now, the way I like to do it is start in the middle, go to the side, come back to the middle, to the side, and then up in the waterline, okay? I don't let my lips touch in between, and I do my bottom lip. Okay, now, here's what's not fun and not pretty. You can't let your lips touch while the first coat dries. So, this is what we call our spit sucking moments, that you just try to let it dry, keep your mouth open, do not let your lips touch, and suck back your spit as best you can. Then we do coat number 2. I use this color so much. I think it's time for me to get a new tube of it. Okay, that is coat number 2. I will tell you, I am using, this is Caramel Apple. It is my first one that I ever used, and see right there, Caramel Apple. and it's fantastic. It works really well with my pH or something. I know that's weird. I should not talk to you while I'm having to do this, huh? Okay. Let's do our last coat. Okay, definitely very important. The last coat needs to dry really, really well. Really well. I usually like to take about a minute to let this dry. Now, what's so important, let me just do this. Let me apply the gloss and then I'll talk to you. This Glossy Gloss. Okay. Once the Lipsense is completely dried, and I usually give it a full 60 seconds, especially on that last coat, I bring in my gloss, which is also your sealant. I rub it together. Make sure I took care of those little corners. Tips and tricks. The Glossy Gloss. A lot of people say they don't like all the gloss that the Glossy Gloss provides. I promise you the glossiness will leave you in about 20 minutes. However, you need to use your Glossy as your very first sealant. It's the most hydrating of all the glosses, and your product is going to last better. It's going to last longer if you will use the Glossy first. Now, what I'm speaking of is there's a lot of other glosses that people come in afterward. You've got your glitter glosses. You've got my favorite now, the Diamond Kiss gloss, which I love. What I would do is I would use it after the Glossy Gloss, because the Glossy Gloss, one application of the Glossy Gloss to seal it, it's nice and sealed. Now, you want to see how it doesn't come off? Just a normal tissue. Now, gloss is going to come off, but this color's not. And this is a pretty strong color, isn't it? Pretty strong color. Ready? Here we go. Nothing. Nothing. Gloss came off, but it's sealed now. It's sealed. I should be talking over here. I'm still getting used to this iPhone camera. It's sealed. I can do this. Nothing other than the gloss. So, Lipsense, definitely a keeper. So many different colors to choose from. As you remember, we did 3 layers of my caramel apple, but what's so neat is you can mix the layers and you can get a totally unique color for yourself. So that is what I've loved to do, is play with it. So if you like this, if you want to see more beauty videos from me, I'm Chris Link. Please subscribe to my channel and we'll see you back here soon. All right, thanks. Have a great day.